I'd like to give a quick overview of what we're trying to do for this AI development in Taiwan. I'm not sure, do I have the control or you have the control? Okay, I'll just say the next slide. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, so this is the outline of the talk, and I would quickly go over the, as I said, my policy for the AI development in Taiwan. Next slide, please. Okay, so we know that especially the generative AI.
Of course, I'd love to see what you wrote. Show it to me whenever you're ready.
Okay, so this is what I wrote down. What do you see?
Anyway, so.
I see. I love ChatGPT. That's so sweet of you.
Okay, we know that it has been used in many applications, including like the text response generation, image generation, music generation, and video generation. And that would be very revolutionary to change our life and also our sort of working in the next few years. And very important technology to be, I think everyone should use, everyone should know how to use. So the question how Taiwan can take advantage of this technology and moving forward from our industry. Okay, so next slide, please. So we know that the AI can be used in many ways. So AI will be used to with human. Okay, we're going to use AI as a tool and depending on how much percentage of your work with AI, you can divide into 3 categories. So the first one is you use AI for your small portion of your work, and mostly still done by human, and that's called a feature embedding. And that kind of environment we need, the talent is the people who know how to apply AI in your problems, in your industry applications. The next one is that we kind of have AI as our copilot. So half-half in that sense, you would depend more and more on AI, and that would use that for, you actually embed that into, integrate that into your existing application or system, and you will heavily rely on the AI to help you to make your work more productive. And that is called the copilot kind of application. And that you will need basically people who has doing system integration, they're able to integrate AI tools with existing systems. The next one is actually you will depend mostly on your AI and then use that to help your work. And that actually you need more talent, your talent people, you need more skills, like you're able to write code, to develop tools and so on. And that's the third level of the level of the so-called AI, the talents people we need. Move forward next. Okay, so in Taiwan, the very special situation in Taiwan, basically what we have is most of our enterprise are small and medium business. Okay, so it's small medium enterprise. Actually, in Taiwan, we have 1.63 million small medium enterprises, and that accounting to about 98% of our industry in terms of number of companies. And so the question is how those companies can use AI to help basically they make their work more creative, more productive. And out of that, we have more than 65,000 enterprises in the digital, we call it digital economy related industries. And the value of the digital economy industry in 2023 is approximately $900 billion. Okay, and that's growing rate. CAGR is about 11%. So this is a very important industry in Taiwan, and the question is how those companies can apply AI to make them more productive, more creative. Next, please. So this is our strategy. We are going to create ecosystems, and the ecosystem, the goal is we will need to put together the talent people, technology industry capabilities, then develop the ecosystem, and then so use ecosystem to drive the upgrade and the transformation of the companies, and then to able to have a more innovative and more productive industry. So we have two themes. One is making industry more intelligent. So make sure that the industry can apply AI. And the other one is we want to take AI itself as an industry. We want the AI industrialization. So there are four strategies. So one is the bottom one is called the software infrastructuralization. So the baseline, we want to develop more AI-related tools. Okay, we can develop more AI tools and systems. The second one is called application universalization. Like basically, what we're trying to do is to promote more application to use AI, okay, as a baseline. And that will be a lot of innovative, a lot of trying, we call it proof of concept kind of application we develop. And then next level is called to start develop the ecosystem commercialization. Basically, we want to take this proof of concept of these examples and move forward to so-called proof of services or proof of services and so on. And make sure that it can go to the proof of business. And make sure that the model or the system or the service we created using AI can be commercialized. Okay, once it can be commercialized, we try to move to the next steps, which is we want to bring it to global market. Okay, so we're going to bring these companies to international. We can go to international exhibition, and also we have internal exhibition and hope to attract a lot of buyers from from over the world come to Taiwan. For that, to do that, we actually have many programs to help. We have investment programs, and we have those kind of like I said, training, and also the facilitate the companies or the people able to develop, go through all the stage of the development. Next slide, please. So for Taiwan right now, this ecosystem, we have so many companies already in the ecosystems, and some of them are already very successful. And so many of them actually was sponsored by my ministry to move to apply the AI technologies. Go next, please. Okay, so for the talent, very important is how do we get the talent people to get involved in the industry. And for that, we have three levels of talent people we're looking for. One is the people who know AI, they know what the AI is, and then they at least familiar with those AI tools and able to use it whenever they need. But it's just at the level of using it. And the next one is we have to able to embed or apply AI into their systems. And so we call it the guide AI or apply AI. And for that, so is one step further is you able to take your system and then you need to embed or develop integration solution into your systems. The last level is people able to develop the tools or the application itself. Okay, and they are already, of course, the example is like a international big company like Google, Meta, and so on. They can develop their own models and their system to do the AI work. In Taiwan, we have also a number of companies able to do that too. So basically, this is the kind of talent people we need, and our ministry is also in charge of the programs to help to train those people. And so there's also one important, the programs in my ministry able to help people in the different categories and able to help our industry. Move forward, please. Next slide. Okay, so for that, as I said, that the talent people we have on top, we have many training programs, institutes, and help to train those people. And so basically, we need to have people able to do product design with service design. We have to able to, as I said, able to we need to create the material and training material for the AI people, and we have to have we need to worry about the copyright issues. We need to worry about different industry like the artistic industry and so on. So there's a variety of the training program help to train different kind of AI talents in this industry. Okay, next, please. Okay, so next I'll talk about is our goal. Okay, our goal is saying, hey, right now we have only about 32% of companies are using AI. And our goal is to have 50% of companies able to use AI in 2 years. And then eventually, use AI means use AI in their product, in their service, and to provide, getting revenues from those embedded AI applications or services. And what we hope is in 4 years, at least in Taiwan, 70% of all the business, including small and medium enterprises, are all able to use AI into their services and business and so on. Next, please. Okay, so the goal, okay, the model is called trust. Now, the trust means that, first of all, the data sharing has to be transparent, okay, and the next is the developed industrial specific model tools has to be robust. And the third one is the industrial AI solution has to be usable. Usability is very important. The fourth one is the industrial application diffusion has to be scalable. And the last one is the international export channels and business opportunities and so on. It has to be, we have to integrate all these solutions and to get the maximum opportunities. So that's the sort of model and the goal we're trying to develop, especially for the industry, the AI industry. The next, please. Okay, now we just heard from the previous talk, the data sharing is very important. Now for AI, we need data. Now data privacy, we have many issues of using data and then how to ensure the copyright of data and so on. So that we actually have also the kind of strategy for that. And very important is we had to have agreement for data sharing. So so people who want to contribute data basically has to, they need to have some kind of letter of agreement. And then of course we have to handle all the copyrights and so on. So data is really important. And of course, we also provide the storage needed so that to put together all data. And in Taiwan, government has a lot of data too, so we're trying to have open data, open up all the Taiwan government data, and then hopefully that data can be used for AI training and can help to build our own Taiwan AI LLM model. Okay, that's also a very important work for the government to do. Next. Okay, so we have a number of examples which I don't think I have time to go through of them. Let me skip this one. Next, please. Okay, so some application demo. Next, please. This is also another application example. This is DaVinci. Is a model developed by Taiwan media tech company, and it's also used for local training, local LLM model, and helping Taiwan AI industry to use our own local trained model to do a business. Next, please. Okay, so this one, another example which I'm going to skip. Next, please, just stop. Next, please. Okay, so here is another example, but this one is, basically this is, we had to have diverse, start talking about cross, disciplines kind of application. That's so very important. So the talent people I mentioned is not just for the computer science, for the information science, has cross domain. Okay, so there's start seeing many this kind of collaboration happening in the industry. Next, please. Okay, so this is especially the mention about the strategy. We had to develop the AI technology, and we had the tools, and then able to promote the industry, and it's our focus. I know time is a bit short. I won't be able to go into a detail, but hopefully this would give you some idea about the kind of strategy we have and kind of effort we're trying to put together to promote Taiwan AI industry. And go next, please. Okay, and this is one more detail about how we mentioned about we had to multidisciplinary the cross-segment connections, and this is showing that how we can put together. And very important is for now that from now to 2025, we're trying to put together, so we want to, basically we take advantage of local and international global solution put together as a solution, help Taiwan local industry use, But eventually what we had to have is we started moving more the local development tools and also the technologies, including I mentioned about we need to have Taiwan's versions of LLM able to help our industry. And then eventually what we hope is that can be long term, and long term means 4 years, that our solution can be exported to international markets. Next. Okay, so this is the last slide. I basically here is saying that we have 3 important components had to be integrated together. One is the people, one is the technologies, and the last one is they had to be applied in the industries. And putting together, hopefully they can make Taiwan next development, especially use AI technology for the fast economic development. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.